Okay guys, so we are short here. Let's see if we can get this trade. Market is just pushing lower. Gonna give it some room. There's more sellers in the tape. Goes the Nasdaq. See correlation dots down. Okay, there it goes. Hopefully now it can get the target. Okay, I want to talk to you guys about
Short
the
signal and Q.
the expiry.
Target
Remember that we
filled.
need to change the contract, guys, from the Bidaskmultimarket correlation, else it would not plot any signal.
Target filled.
Okay, it would not plot signals. So you need to change that information and is to the December contract. We are not in the September anymore. That one is dead now. From Monday, you will be on the December contract. So everything should be rollover. Okay, the Bidaskmultimarket correlation needs to be changed inside the indicator. Remember to roll out those indicators, those instruments to the December contract. I will show you in a minute where you need to look for. I will exit this trade, guys.
Order filled.
Don't like this type of trading. Okay, guys. So here it is. You should change
Long signal and
the
Q.
supplementary bars instrument. Change it to the
Long
1222,
signal and
1222,
Q.
1222. If you don't know how to do that, guys, don't worry. Just send me an email and I will send you the new workspace. Okay, so update it with anything, everything. So just place it on the workspaces and you will have everything updated. Okay, guys, so that's it for me today. So thanks for watching, guys. So as you can see here, the way I'm looking very nice, making very good trades, guys. Remember that the ATRs mimic a 15-minute chart. Okay, so that way you can be aware. Do not short if these guys, are above the the ATRs. You see the momentum here of the tape. Everything was bullish here. You could easily get $100 in this push. So as I said, guys, this system works very well. You can easily get $100, $200 a day. Just follow the trend. Once these guys are greens, both ATRs are green, you can look for longs. Okay, and if the both ATRs are red, look for shorts. Is that easy, guys? It's not complicated. It's not something that is gonna make you wonder. And that's it, guys, for today. If you're interested in the system, like I said, you can send me an email. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.